Hey everyone, it's Natalie. Long time no see. So right now we're in New York, of course. I live in New York for those who don't know, but today we're in the city. I live in Westchester, so I don't even know why I'm talking so much. Let me restart. Hey everyone, it's Natalie. Long time no see. So as you can see, where do you think I'm at right now? One of the greatest cities of all time. Today we're gonna be going to a show, a jazz show, and I just thought I would walk around, show you guys what's going on in the city, show you guys my view. I don't know, something interesting, so tune in. Let's see who wants to be on camera. Let's see who. I feel so annoying just sticking my arm out like this across the street though. Yep, we're good to cross. Be careful when you cross here because, yeah, it's very dangerous when you walk. You think you're good, and then next thing you know, a car comes in the middle of nowhere and you almost got run over. So be careful. Let's see. Right now we're in the West Village, a little bit closer to Soho, but on the west side it's freezing for the most part. For those who don't know, city, you're going to be running into a lot of smells, a lot of different people, characters. Not the cleanest place, but it's also not extremely dirty depending on where you go. Like right now the streets pretty clean. I'm here with my brother. We might meet up with my other brother later. We'll see what ends up going on. Right now we have the green light to walk, and I feel so weird because I just have my arm sticking out recording, but it is what it is. Gotta do what you gotta do to get the video. I'll show you guys once we see something more interesting. Right now we're just walking to the location. It's like a bar. Like I said, it's just a jazz show. Okay, it's a Tuesday night. And we got some music going on over there. But yeah, so I'll show you guys as soon as we get to the place, or if anything interesting comes up, I'll be sure to show you guys. I'm also filming on my phone if I didn't mention that already. It's freezing cold, but yeah, I'm filming on my phone, so if the quality isn't the best, that's why, but we're just gonna make do. Look at this room. Some red light. Looks kind of interesting. Might be a spa or something, I have no clue, but very cool. Okay, we just got to the spot. It's Foxtail. Let's go take a look. Thank you. Nice warmth. Thank you. Candy shop. This looks like, okay. Looks like this is an event space. Okay, it's really interesting. Hi.
Foxtail? There's the jazz show, right? That's what it is. You guys got I do, yeah. I'll grab some in. Thank you very much.
Very interesting. Super cool. Oh wow, there's like a cool lounge space. Thank you. We just got into the event. This is what it's looking like. Very relaxing. My drink has arrived. Let me show you guys what I ordered. Oh wait, she took the menu. I ordered this spiced apple drink. There's some fresh apples here. They got the nice big glass. Sorry, the nice big ice cube. But it smells really good. It smells super fresh. Now I sit back and enjoy the show. So we just have, guess who arrived? My other brother and his girlfriend. I'll introduce you guys in a second. It's really loud in here. So look who joins us. My other brother, Haley. Do you guys want to say anything to the camera?
Hi, I'm psyched to hear the jazz.
So now that the gang is all here, y'all. The gang is all here.
I definitely want fries.
The last song that they are performing. Trying to get her drunk tonight. They're giving everyone a nice solo. That's a cello, right? Oh. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. That has a lot more strings though, or am I just seeing it wrong? Oh, yeah, you're right. Woo!
Every Thursday and Saturday nights here. My name is Miriam Furo. I was pleased to be your host this evening. If you'd like to take some music home with you tonight, it's possible. We have some CDs for sale in case any of you.
Show was great. We're saying our goodbyes. Sainty, do you want to get in the video?
Sure.
Now that everyone's here, we're saying the goodbyes to the show. Thank you guys for watching.
Do I flow?
Sure. Flowing your hair. It is 11:11 right now. We are leaving the show. Just walking back. Smells very strong. Let's just say that.
203.
This was the place that had some music going on earlier. This is the bar. Oh, okay. It's my brother right there. Gotta love it. That's normal. No one bats an eye to that type of stuff here. I'm just showing you guys the view from walking here. Honestly, since we are in like the lower west side right now, streets are kind of quiet, but there's always people out walking at this time. I mean, it is pretty late. It's a Tuesday. It's past 11 p.m. Most people are in bed right now. It's pretty cold. It's probably like 40 something degrees, if not 30 something degrees Fahrenheit. So, but yeah, beautiful city like always. I'm freezing, but I thought that I would give you guys a little bit of view from my perspective from the way back. You guys could be my bodyguards. No, I'm kidding. I'm here with my brother, so I don't need a bodyguard, but still, always gotta look before you cross because not want to get hit by a car. Definitely not. Alright, let's see where we need to go. Let's see if we can find my car. I literally just parked just down a couple blocks. Wasn't too far away. But yeah, honestly, this area is super safe. I mean, if I was walking here alone, I wouldn't feel like this lobby. They already have Christmas trees up, but as I was saying, if I was walking alone, I wouldn't feel scared because I feel super safe. There's a lot of cars driving by, so I know if anything were to happen, you know, there would be multiple people to see anything. Even though in New York, a lot of people don't like to stand up for other people. Santi, we're gonna cross here. But at least there's witnesses, so I feel safe knowing that there's always a lot of people driving on the road. But yeah, even though the streets are a little empty, at least there's a lot of people driving. That makes me feel safe. But I used to do background acting. For those who don't know, majority of you probably don't. And so I would have to walk all over the city, take the trains, just walk, take different neighborhoods, buses, all that stuff. And so I got to know the city a lot. And I would be walking alone in the middle of the night. It would be 5 a.m., super early morning. It would also be late time, like 12 a.m. up until like even 4 a.m. one time I was walking, and I was out all night. It was terrible. So after going through that whole experience, I definitely know a lot of, like, I know how to defend myself in the city. I know how to take care of myself. And being out, I was put in some sketchy situations, but obviously I'm fine. And so I feel like, you know, this is super safe compared to other conditions and nights and everything that were super dangerous. So we're about to get in my car. We just got here. We're gonna go home. Sorry, I'm freezing, but I'll show you guys a little bit of the view on the drive home, and then I'm gonna close out this little video. It ended up being less footage that I wanted, but I'll actually just talk more in the car because I'm freezing. So we are officially in the car. I was freezing while trying to speak to you guys outside, but the whole reason that we came out here and came to the jazz show tonight was because my brother's professor was performing, and so he was literally like, oh, would you want to go, thinking that I was gonna say no, and I was like, yeah, I'm always down for stuff. So that's why we ended up coming here tonight, and we just, you know, we met up with my other brother and his girlfriend, so it was a fun time. And now we're gonna show you guys a little bit of the view here in the city, so let's go.